Today we are going to take a look at a breathing exercise that can be extremely effective at reducing anxiety for some people. And this is an exercise I recommend that you really try out for a few weeks because it could potentially improve your quality of life quite dramatically. Scandinavian Bob here, hi. As a former anxiety sufferer myself, my goal with this channel is to make hundreds of videos with all kinds of tools and tricks on how to cope with anxiety. So if anxiety is something that you struggle with, consider subscribing. Okay, so this breathing exercise for anxiety is something that Dr. Andrew Weil has been talking a lot about, and here is how you do it. Step 1. Place the tip of your tongue right behind your upper front teeth and try to keep it there during the whole exercise. Step 2. Completely empty your lungs of all air, and in the next step is where the exercise actually starts. Step 3. Breathe in quietly through your nose to a count of 4. Step 4. Hold your breath to a count of 7. And then step 5, breathe out through your mouth to a count of 8, making a whoosh sound. And push your lips a bit forward when you breathe out to create just a little bit of resistance to the air. Okay, so that's one cycle, and you should repeat this cycle for 4 times. So practice this exercise 2 times every day for several weeks, and after that you will find that you have a lower baseline level of anxiety. And after a few weeks of practicing this, you can also start using this breathing technique in situations where you tend to get stressed and have anxiety. And according to Dr. Weil, it can be a real game changer for you, and some people will be able to completely turn their anxiety off if they practice this technique and master it. So let's try it out right now. Look at the screen and I'll guide you through it. Sit comfortable on your chair and use a good posture. Don't slouch. Take a few seconds to relax as much as you can. Okay, great. Now put the tip of your tongue in the right position behind your upper front teeth. Good. Now empty your lungs completely and start inhaling through your nose exactly when the red text appears on the screen. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And relax. Feels great, doesn't it? Okay, so that's 4 cycles right there, and you should do this 2 times every day. Try to really commit to this and do it every single day for several weeks and then see how it affects you. You should find that your baseline anxiety levels are lower and the effects of the exercise even builds up over time. Alright, that's it for today. I really hope you found it informative, and if you feel that you want some instant help for your anxiety, then go and check out a video I made on my other YouTube channel about self-improvement, where I share a video with the top 3 best natural anxiety supplements out on the market today. I can put a link to that video as the top comment in the comment section below, so look for it there. Also, consider subscribing for more tools and tricks, and I will be back with a lot more. Alright, this is Scandinavian Bob signing out for today, and remember, just keep discovering more tools and tricks and never ever give up, because as Winston Churchill says, if you're going through hell, keep going.